how to change bank account on Apple Cash. In today's video, I will show you how to change your bank account on Apple Cash. So first, open the wallet app on your iPhone. Then, tap on Apple Cash Card to access the details. So once here, look for the three dots in the upper right corner to view the more options. Then tap on the card details. In the card details, find the option to manage your bank account. So you can either transfer money or update your bank details. If you want to transfer money, select how much to send and enter your bank account info. You can choose between standard or instant transfer. To add a new bank account, make sure it's valid and enter the correct details. I hope this helps you change your bank account on Apple Cash. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.